Over 5,000 companies and thousands of users rely on Oracle eBusiness Suite for payroll. It's powerful, but the Payroll Activity Report has always been a pain point. PDFs and text files make reviewing and reconciling data tough. Teams resort to custom reports and Excel workarounds just to make it usable. But now there's a better way. Introducing Camtra's Payroll Recon Toolset, a secure desktop app that converts your payroll activity report into Excel in seconds. Just log in, choose Quick Convert, upload your file, and you're done. Simple, fast, no IT required. Want to compare two payroll periods, maybe before and after a patch? Use the Compare Payroll feature, upload both files, and get instant results with differences showing at both the summary and employee level. Ready to make payroll reconciliation a breeze? Contact us today for a free trial and a personalized demo. Camtra Technologies, smarter payroll delivered.